Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Hehighti Apple Watch Sport Band. Now, this sport band is actually going to be compatible with any Apple Watch Series 8, SE, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and the Ultra. And in millimeters, it's going to be compatible with the 49 millimeter, with the 45 millimeter, 44 millimeter, and the 42 millimeter. So with that being said, if at any point during this video you're interested in this product, I will be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. So let's just get straight into it. So it's very simple packaging. It's just a black box, cardboard box, and then inside here we have the band. So very simple. This is already falling apart. And so I did go with the orange colorway. There is 7 different options you can go for, but I did go with the orange one, and here it is. Now I will be using the Nike Plus 44 millimeter Apple Watch for this video, and so let's just get straight into it. Snaps on very well, very nice. And honestly, I really like the color contrast between this gunmetal colorway and then the orange. Definitely looks really good, and the design is definitely way thicker than most bands. Normally you have bands like this which are nice, which are fine, very thin, very light, but I've actually already had one of these break on me. Not completely, but I definitely did see cracks on them. They do wear out a lot easier because there's less material, as opposed to something like this. There's way more material. It looks way beefier, definitely way thicker. Let's see how it feels. So even though it's a thicker band, it's still very easy to maneuver. There's a lot of bands that are very stiff and just feel very off on your wrist. This definitely has a lot of movement to it, even though it's way thicker and there's way more material. So I like that about it. Very easy to move around, very easy. I actually really like the way it looks, honestly. And then I also like that it has these 2 straps, these 2 protective kind of holders, because it gives you a more secure feel, a more secure band. There we go. Yeah, it definitely looks really good. I really like it. Actually, to the feel, it feels really good on the wrist. Normally a lot of bands feel very rough, very hard plastic. This isn't a hard plastic. This is a rubber, a very soft rubber. Actually feels really good in the hand, to be honest, and I have no complaints on how it looks and how it feels. I'm very excited to actually put this to the test, but overall, fit wise, look wise, and feel wise, 5 out of 5, 100%. So make sure you follow and consider subscribing.